Hello children, here we are going to discuss about conversion of temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here you can see thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature of a body. We use different types of thermometers to measure different things. The temperature of an object is measured using two common scales, the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. The Celsius scale is also called centigrade scale and is marked from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade, where 0 degree centigrade shows the freezing point of water and 100 degrees centigrade shows the boiling point of water. Here you can see clinical thermometer. Here you can see in the thermometer 100 degree centigrade is boiling point of water and 37 degree centigrade is human body temperature and 0 degree centigrade is freezing point of water. We read 0 degree C as 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree C as 100 degree Celsius. The Fahrenheit scale is marked from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit, where 32 degree Fahrenheit shows the freezing point of water and 212 degree Fahrenheit shows the boiling point of water. Here you can observe 212 degree Fahrenheit is boiling point of water and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is human body temperature and 32 degree Fahrenheit is freezing point of water. We read 32 degree F as 32 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree F as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Conversion of temperature from Fahrenheit to degree. Convert 68 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Step 1. Subtract 32 from Fahrenheit. 68 minus 32 is equal to 36. Step 2. Multiply the result by 5. 36 into 5 is equal to 180. Step 3. Divide the product by 9. 180 divided by 9 is equal to 20. Thus, 68 degree Fahrenheit is 20 degree Celsius. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Subtract 32 from 98.6. That is 98.6 minus 32 is equal to 66.6. Multiply the result by 5. 66.6 into 5 is equal to 333. Divide the product by 9. 333 divided by 9 is equal to 37. Thus, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is 37 degree Celsius. Conversion of temperature from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. (37 degrees Celsius). First multiply by 9. 37 into 9 is equal to 333. Now divide the number 333 by 5. 333 divided by 5 is equal to 66.6. Now add 32 to 66.6. 66.6 plus 32 is equal to 98.6. Thus 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Take another example. Convert 35 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Step 1. Multiply the number of degree by 9. 35 into 9 is equal to 315. Step 2. Divide the product by 5. 315 divided by 5 is equal to 63. Step 3. Add 32 to the result. 63 plus 32 is equal to 95. Thus 35 degrees Celsius is equal to 95 degree Fahrenheit.